Hey, Mimi. Come here. Come here. Come here for a second.
Why?
So we're gonna no, I want to do my settings because in China. No, very some materials.
Anyways. Hi guys.
Yo, what up? I was on tour up for song. I'm going to say.
I didn't come to get you. You're going.
Eh?
I didn't come to get you. You're driving.
Oh, but too bad is it? Too bad. Who is it?
He's such an idiot.
Do you know?
Nando's. I feel like chicken. I'm craving it. It's so bright.
Yeah?
My eyes are oh my god.
You need to go check out Mimi's page. I don't want to now. I don't want to
no, they're mine.
What am I featuring and eat on face one? Boom! I told I made God. But all my likes did my hearts to Murray to Munbukanda by myself. Javan fake. Sanya Peru. Oh, I'm going to get my comments about that. Deep but banana. Sunshine and the hi Mimi.
Hi.
Joanzina Riley. Simbi iri say I do it now. Now I'm going Riley hands it down and come Riley. Oh, don't try a best song. How's this native guys? Then banana papa. Banana rosemary hands it craving paita mimba. Cha. So I'm coming Nox Tiripo, come Nox, what's popping? You man, I'm going to Nox Tiripa Nox Vivo with me. Is the Gatum a dog Darata to fire or near the romance and I still rates gates. Nox don't want to go romance. My face, a Dinox, Panox Vivo. Eh, nobody upon Musasari, my album, your Rabu, you look awesome together, and you look like Mataviri. What I meant to move it. You gave it up, got to you.
What the hell are you doing? You're such an idiot.
You gave it up, got to you. Okay.
I saw this.
Lang, what's up? Dinonzi my rooks and the I want to go pinda. Lolly, long time, Mimi, and Mimi, what's up?
Hey guys.
Bon Raping and a Jai, DJ Taps, what's up? Mugina say on face one.
Memory.
Yes, memory. Mimi, love your vlogs. Moses, Magafitana, Takafitana, plus, Tino, na. Iwewe neni, Tomuda shine, cause to end it. Paranox, Mama Musgo Mushere Paranox, Ede Paranox Vivo.
No, nothing. It was just, I didn't see it.
Oh, wait, what you want?
Yeah.
Chill say.
What do you mean?
Hey,
did you announce it?
Pinam frame,
Did you announce it?
No, what?
Oh.
Okay. Do you want to?
No, you can say it.
Yeah?
It's up to you. You can say it. Well, you already put it up anyway.
Yeah, no, but I shouldn't. Okay. What? Really? Should?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you have my glasses?
Okay. Yeah, but I'm doing so. Obviously, Dotco Marbara Gara is here. Me and Mimi, you know, we are not together anymore. And doing a report, we are not together anymore, but we're friends. And the Shawari, we, you know, as you can see, it's Shawari, you know, and we work together. You know, I'm a DJ, she's a makeup artist. Sakawana kwacho tukusanga na waisia. Kukawana kwacho. So you know, she's a good friend of mine. Man, I told you on Twitter on Chikiso Uku.
Oh, Kuda. You were meant to come, my
so yeah, we're not together anymore. I mean, I was one day in Nigeria, I was trying my jokes about Mimi. But I'm settings as
well. What I have to say, guys. Yeah, it was one of those decisions that just had to be made, and I think we're just better off as business partners, or I don't know, whatever you want to call it. But you know how relationships are like, you know, when you're out there in the social media world, it's a bit crazy. So yeah, I guess it was just one of those things. Yeah. I don't know what else I have to say, but yeah.
Marines Omega, no jokes, no comedy, real stuff. Yeah. There you go.